So, Namaskar, all of you. This is a new batch notification for the next OS prelims that is tentatively scheduled around September. So, this is the first prelims batch, both classroom and online, which is going to start from March 13th. So, other details about the batch. So, this batch is both you can join online and also you can join in the classroom. So, online batch basically morning 7:30 the batch is starting 7:30 to 9:30, and daily current affairs, that is in the evening 10 p.m. you're having the daily current affairs. Okay, so those who are like going to the office, or those who are working professionals also, you can join in the morning and in the evening. So the pattern of the theory class is of 2 hours, 90 minutes is teaching and 30 minutes MCQ test based on it. So this course will cover all aspects of prelims paper 1 and 2. So the paper 1 GS and CSAT paper 2. And apart from that, the test series of 40 full length tests is also included. So these full length tests, you will get the schedule once the course starts. And in that, you have your subject wise test and also your full syllabus test. So this is the timing. Theory is 7:30 a.m. morning, and the current affair class is at 10 p.m. These are our previous results. You can go through the playlist. Duration of the course is 4 months, and totally it would contain more than 400 hours of live and recorded classes. So those who are joining the online batch, you will get the PDF of all theory classes that you can access. The PDFs can be accessed through our aarohan app. Then test series of 40 tests, that is also included, which you can also access through our app, and recorded videos that also you can access through the app. Okay, and these videos they are basically for lifetime. Okay, they do not have a like after 1 year or 6 months they'll expire. Okay, so these are lifetime videos. Those who are joining in the classroom batch, so for all the classes you will get printouts of the theory classes. For the test series also, for the questions and the answer keys, you will get the printouts of that, and the detailed solutions you can access through the app. So recorded videos of all theory classes, that also you can access through the app. So course fee, those who want to join online, you can join using this particular link which is given. This file you can find in our Telegram channel also, and using this link you can join. You can pay it in 2 installments. Those who want to join in the classroom course, so basically what you will do is you have to come and join at the center. Okay, so please remember that the above link is only for the online batch. Okay, for the classroom batch you need to come to the center and take admission at the center. These are the details. And if you want to know anything, any particular details about the course, you can WhatsApp or call 76840 54656. So I wish you all the best for your preparation. Namaskar.